In this video, we will show you how to replace your sun visor clip on this Honda Civic. This will be mounted inside of your passenger compartment next to your sun visor. Let's get into it. Okay friends, let's get started on replacing our sun visor clip. To do that, we'll get the sun visor out of the way. Once you've done that, along the forward area of this, there's a small slot that you can use a screwdriver, press in on gently, and then twist this in either direction. Once you have that twisted, you just want to gently pull it down and remove it from the vehicle. And there it is, friends. All right, let's get ready to install that sun visor clip. When we do this, we want to come in from the side and then twist it into the proper position. Take hold of that, give it a wiggle to make sure it is properly secured, and then lock your sun visor in. Perfect. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.